Hi, this is a 36 volt 800 watt wooden go-kart. So I've not done any more progress on it. I've been moving into the bedroom workshop, which I've now done. You can see the go-kart here, but I've been doing some research and I've got a bit of a dilemma. So I looked up the make of the mounting board before I took the motor off and that. The make of the mounting board is 8-ball, and it's an 8-ball Bigfoot. Now on eBay and on my website I've been doing a lot of research. Be £500, so I've just basically stripped a 250 quid mounting board. So I've been thinking and I've been looking at my mounting board, so I might have bought this wooden go-kart. I might not do any more on it, and I might convert it, or not convert it, but turn it back into the mounting board and get rid and buy something else, buy a pedal go-kart I think, and put a motor on that, because I've still got a lot to do on this and I'm short on money. The mounting board only cost me 75 quid, so if I could do it up and get rid of it, it'd be brilliant. So I'm going to do a bit more research tonight. I need a few parts for the mounting board. I want to see how much they're going to cost me, and I'll catch up with you either later on or tomorrow. Okay. Right, so I've looked at the parts for the mounting board to turn it back into a mounting board. I've ordered some parts, so it is going to turn back into a mounting board, but what I want to do is finish this project off and do it as a go-kart, see what it's like, and then turn it back into a mounting board and sell it. But I could then use this body, the seat, all the front bit, and put a cheaper motor on with maybe bigger wheels, we'll see. But the project's not stopping here. Like I said, I might have bought it. I'm not gonna. Done too much work on it. I'm chuffed with it. It looks good. You never know. If I did it as a go-kart, I might be able to sell it as a go-kart, because there's a little wooden quad on eBay and it's 350 quid and it's handmade. Also, I've been looking up and it says on my 8-ball website about this Bigfoot. It does 48 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure what that is in miles an hour. I'll convert it and tell you. But it's quite fast anyway. So tomorrow I'm going to do the steering. I keep on saying this, but I've been doing stuff. Move the rooms round, put the bed in my front room, and yeah. So I'll get it finished. The parts for the mounting board won't come till next week, so it gives me a week to finish it, and I kept on saying I wanted to finish this in October, so I am gonna, and I'm gonna ride it. You probably all want to see me ride it if you've been watching these videos of me making it, and I want to ride it. Okay, right, might catch up with you tomorrow. This has just been a quick update video. And yeah, getting stuck into it tomorrow. Probably be a separate video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.